2011 Chrysler 200. Taking the dash out to get to the heater core right here. So stay tuned. Finally got it out. Whoever had this vehicle before this customer obviously did this before, and they cut it and put rubber hoses on it. So made it a little easier to just slide out without taking all this dash bar out. No more leaking. For how long you said it didn't have heat? 2 years. 2 years?
Yeah, but I bought it. I don't think it needed heat though. I never checked it.
I'm about to say feel that.
I bought it in the summer.
Yeah, feel that. Let me know what the heat feeling like.
Ooh. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's hot.
It's hot?
Hell yeah, for sure, Steve.
Alright. Good to go, Tank.
It's a leak.